see where the sun goes at night. Oh, and I wonder if it really feels.
साहब ने उस दिन देख लिया तो उन्होंने मुझे पूछा हार्ली क्वीन क्या होता है। मैंने कहा कोई क्रेजी सी लड़की जो चाहे वही करे अपनी धुन में। उन्होंने इशारा किया वो दूसरी वो येलो दुपट्टे वाली लड़की, उसका नाम लिखो। मैंने कहा उसका नाम क्या है? फिर मैं पता करता हूँ। होंगे आमना के पास और उनका रोल नंबर पूछा होगा, रिमशा को बताया होगा और रिमशा ने मुझे बताया। इजाज़ साहब कहते हैं इसे स्टेज पे भेज दो, ये बोलती रहेगी बोलती रहेगी बोलती रहेगी, हर चीज़ इसको आती है सिर्फ खामोशी के अलावा।
For Harley Quinn, winner is Amna Haq with 26 votes.
The next one is teacher's pet and the winner is Laiba Sarfaraz. Please come on.
Thank you for noticing me out of 325. पीछे बैठकर लेक्चर में सोने की कीमत आप क्या जाने।
And the next award is one of the most awaited ones, the Theta Award. And the winner is Jawad Ahmed with 54 votes.
Are you doing the degree or is the degree doing you? Too overrated, to be honest.
So the next title is for Theti and the winner is Almas Asghar.
मेरे टीचर भी मुझसे खुश हैं बहुत, मेरी कॉपी को देखो सितारों से भर किया है वादा, है मैंने सच्चाई।
Initially, the category was combined, but we decided to split it among Theta and
comments?
Theti.
So guys, these are the official Thetas here.
The next award is a spicy one. It is the award for attention seeker, and the winner is Abdullah Qasim with a landslide majority of 75 votes.
Thousands of addictions in this world, but you choose the worst. Attention.
Moving on to the next. The next one is for Simp. And the winner is obvious, Faik Hassan. He is not yet from any of his friends to join us. Please accept.
And the next award is for the class clown, and the winner is none other than Abdullah Danish.
ह्यूमर हम शर्मिंदा हैं, तेरे कातिल जिंदा हैं।
The next category, that is burger. The winner is by a huge lead, Natalia Azhar.
You're too fake. Insta पे caption में है
Dad please fast आएं, ये लोग मुझे बर्गर कॉल कर रहे हैं।
Thank you.
We have the nominees for the award of charming person. The winner is by a very small majority,
Kasha Lagari.
Kasha Lagari.
बचना ए हसीनो, लो ये आ गया।
सबका भाई. The winner is by the most votes casted, 123 votes, Anas Zahir. And read out the punchline.
भाई अब नहीं तो कब।
सिया साहब रुके रुके अपनी बहन को मिलते जाएं। The next one is सबकी बहन. The winner is our GR.
ये है आप सबके भाई और आपकी बहन।
ओ बहना मेरी बहना, मेरी ज्यादा हंसना।
A huge round of applause for our CR and GR.
welcome On Muhammad on the stage for a hot segment, Rapid Fire.
I wanna see where the sun goes at night.
So I have these parchments from girl side and from the boy side. They are totally random. I'll call one boy and one girl, and then we will have a rapid fire question. That's more of a hot seat because of the limitations that we have here. So without further ado, I'll just take one of those. Okay, from the basics first. If I ask you to rate yourself, how would you rate yourself? On a scale of 1 to 10.
101.
Yes?
101.
Narcissist. That's pretty narcissist
That's I
of
am.
you. And you?
10 out of 10 maybe?
10 out of 10. You think there's no scope of improvement?
I like myself.
Oh. Otherwise you handle Bella Della. Why is this so?
My nickname is Bella.
Oh, that's nice. What do you do when you are unable to sleep and you have no friend?
I watch serials probably or wake up some friends.
Wake up some friend.
Of
Or do
course.
you want movies?
दोस्त उठ जाए तो अच्छी बात, ना उठे तो उनको उठाते रहेंगे.
Right. And you?
Chatting.
Chatting. Chatting with who?
Friends?
Friends. Can you quote your most embarrassing moment at KE?
The moment I was called overrated.
Oh, that was rather heartbreaking. Yeah. If you were the opposite gender, that is a girl,
Okay.
who would you marry in our class?
On a bus.
And same goes for you, Rimsha. If you were a boy and you were supposed to marry a girl from our class, who would that be? That wifey material girls call
Rimsha.
yourself or the Rimshaw?
Rimshaw.
Oh, nice. Okay, Muniba, who's your celebrity crush? Bilal Abbas. Hanan, do you have a crush on a classmate? Yes. Yes, I have. Which city does she belong from? Lahore. Muniba, what's the best pickup line that you have ever came across? If you're uncomfortable,
मेरे
I'll-
दोस्तों की भाभी वो चाबी वाली
That is really.
that was sent to me in DM.
What's most famous thing about Lahore? Lahore ka khana. Sultan. Sohanerbag. Sultani Sohanerbag. Okay, let's get a bit difficult about my city. What's famous about Rahim Yar Khan? Okay, Muniba, do you have a crush on anyone from uni?
No.
Oh, do you know what it sounds like? It's some 138 hearts breaking all together. Thank you, Muniba and Hanan.
भाइयों और उनकी बहनों, उम्मीद है थके होंगे, सबको भूख भी लगी हुई है. 1400 रुपये पूरे करने के लिए सब तैयार बैठे हैं, मुझे पता है. बस थोड़ी सी देर और. तो गाने सुनने के शौकीन हजरात तो बहुत सारे आए बैठे हैं. हर इंसान का अपना अपना टेस्ट होता है.
जब सीनियर्स के धोखे में आकर किसी को 2 दिन में जीए तैयार करनी पड़े और वो ना हो, तो वो खुद से कहता है दिल गलती कर बैठा है, गलती कर बैठा है दिल.
और जब किसी का ब्रेकअप हो जाए तो वो इस तरह के गाने सुनता हुआ दिखाई देता है. वतना ते वल्लो आ, दिल बहुत से वतना ते वल्लो आ, दिल बहुत से संगे हो ना वल्लो आ, दिल बहुत से वतना ते वल्लो आ.
जब बीवी मैके गई हो और शौहर से पूछा जाए कि क्या चल रहा है, तो वो कहता है पापा पार्टी हो रही है, पापा पार्टी हो रही है.
और जब बीवी ये बात सुनती है कि वहाँ पार्टी हो रही है, तो बीवी वहां से मैसेज भेजती है शोहर को कि चंगा सी तेनू दिल ना देंदे, चंगा सी तेनू दिल ना देंदे, दिल दिता ते ढिल ना देंदे, तेरी था कोई होर जे हुंदा कसमें रब दी छिल ना देंदे.
Okay guys, it's the time to present before you the Tahir Ashrafis of our class. So first performer is Ali Haider and he is here for a guitar performance.
Stay where the sun goes. See where the sun goes.
तुम क्यों शुरू कर लो तैयब तुम क्यों शुरू कर दो यार
घर मेरा हो गया सपना देखा जो तुमने वो मेरा हो गया डूबे तो यूं जैसे होगा प्यार हुआ मेरे प्यार होना था प्यार हुआ मेरे प्यार दिलों की बात है हमारे सालों में गाए जवाब हमने तेरे सवालों में जवाब की दो तेरा हुआ मेरे प्यार
अजहर तुम क्यों शुरू कर नहीं यार कर दो अली कर दो तुम क्यों अली तुम क्यों चले आते तैयब तैयब
I wanna see where the sun goes.
तुझको चाहे यारा बताना पाए बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आके तुझे समझाए तू जानना तू जानना तू जानना तू जानना मिलके भी हम ना मिले तुमसे से न जाने क्यों मिलों के है फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों जाने ऐसे सिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों अपने पल को तले तुमसे न जाने क्यों कैसे बताए क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा बता ना पाए बातें दिलों की देखे जो बाकी आके तुझे समझाए तू जानना तू जानना तू जानना तू जानना
I wanna see where the sun goes.
In your drawer, all your sweet despacito, the wide eyed game, and we're singing in the car. We are gone, the magic's not here. No more, I might be okay, I'm not fine at all. Cause here we are again on a little town street. You almost ran the rain. You're looking over me, going with my hair. I was there, I remember all the crowd. I'm on that counter, sure. Cheeks were turning red. You used to build it out here with glasses and a concise bed. You told me about your past, your future was me. I know it's long gone, and there was nothing else I could do. When now it's all gone, there was nothing else I could do. Forget about you long enough. Why I needed you. Because there we are there in the middle of the night. Right up around the kitchen and the refrigerator light. Down the stairs, I was there. Remember all who went. Maybe we got lost in translation. Maybe I asked for too much. Everything was a masterpiece till you turned it around. Running scared, I was there, I remember. Call me up just to break me like a promise. I only crossed in the name of being honest. I'm crawling on a piece of paper lying here. Yes, I remember it all. Because here we are again, all of a sudden, we're back for the last one. Real thing you ever know, that was real.